Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful condo in the Essen condo, which is a brand new condo right next to Central Festival Chiang Mai. Let's go and check it out. And we are at the living area. Over here you have the couch, the furniture and the TV. You also have this window where you can look at the view outside. This condo has one bedroom, one bathroom with the kitchen and the living area, and everything is separated nicely. Over here is a dining area. You have the table and two chairs. And here is the kitchen. You have the electric stove, induction fan, sink, refrigerator, and the balcony outside for the laundry. And in the bathroom, you have the sink, the mirror, the toilet, and the shower area. And we are in the bedroom right now. It has the big bed, the closet, the writing area, which is really nice. And for the swimming pool, it is surrounded by Chiang Mai panorama, which is really nice. And right behind me is the gym. Let's go and check it out. And here we are at the gym. It is very big. It is all equipped. You have the cardio machine, you have the weightlifting machines, which is really nice. So we're done for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this condo or if you have any questions, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!